Wow, that's good.
Mhm.
Um, what do you think makes your family close? Ano ba yung personality ng family members mo? Or how's your relationship dynamic? You would say na makes your family close together? Or
Hmm,
values na ini-instill nila lagi na makes your
yeah.
family close? Mm.
Okay, ever since naman ang pinopoint nila is, of course, meron ka dapat faith kay God or kung ano man yung, especially Christian faith, like Catholic or Christian. Then, yung lagi kayong magtutulungan as a family, like you should always have each other's back no matter what.
Mm.
Kasi in the end, kayo-kayo lang naman yung magtutulungan. Like yun yung lagi sasabi ng father ko.
Mm.
Ganun. Yeah. Which is true naman. Kahit malayo na ako sa kanila, like, di ba, Pilipinas, Singapore, we still help each other no matter what.
Mm,
Yeah.
I see.
Mm.
So do you would you say that is the main thing na value na values, family values na ini-instill nila
Mm.
lagi to make your, um, relationship close throughout the years, parang hindi siya nag-fade, hindi nawala yung communication, hindi nawala yung intimacy ng conversations niya. Would you say
Y-
that's the main thing?
Yes, yes. Although, yung conversations, di naman kami katulad ng iba na talagang araw-araw nag-uusap and so on. It's just there na alam mo, we're there for each other, we got each other's back. Then, we're here to support whatever decisions you make. Ganun.
I see.
Mm.
What makes your family strong? Kasi may mga
Mm.
kakilala ko na yung rebellious sila sa mga family nila na after nilang graduate, um, naging independent na sila tapos nagsolo na sila talagang nag-less yung communication.
Mm.
May kilala naman ako na kahit may parents sila parang ulila sila sa parents nila. May kilala naman ako na they can't wait to get out of the house and bumukod, ganun. So, what makes your family strong? Kumbaga, kahit anong gawin ng ibang tao or outside influence, hindi nasisira yung bonding niya, ganun. Ano yung tingin mo nagpapatibay?
More on siguro yung trust na lang on each other. Like, alam namin na kahit anong gawin mo or anong decision mo, that's the good decision, right decision for the family. Or yung mga ginagawa mo para sa sarili mo is for the betterment of yourself. Like, alam mong iingatan mo yung sarili mo. Like, kapatid ko, ingatan nila yung sarili nila. Ako, ingatan ko sarili ko, and so on. Then, like, we try to make each other not worry about each other. Gets mo?
Ah,
Like, para makapag-focus kami sa mga bagay na gusto namin gawin and so on. Yeah. Although, of course, pag may mga problema, well, we reach out to each other. Like, kailangan ng ganito, may gantong project, need help, gano'n. May event, magpunta tayo sa gano'n. Yeah, those things. Pero yung mga day-to-day na things, we don't really see the need na sabihin ko, oh, pupunta ako ganito today or what. We just like, alam na namin na, alam na namin pupuntahan mo, alam na namin na mature ka, you can do the things you want, you need, because we know na it's for your own good, those things. Basically, trust.
mm.